Dear students, today I am going to solve some maths from the chapter fractions for Maths Olympiad. So today's first problem is the models are shaded to show which of the following model 1 is given. There are three boxes and it is written 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. And model 2, there are four boxes. And these are 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now these two boxes are shaded, and here also two boxes are shaded. Now the options are 1 by 3 is equals to 2 by 4. Option B, 1 by 4 greater than 1 by 3. Option C, 2 by 3 less than 2 by 4. And option D, 2 by 4 less than 2 by 3. These are the four options. Now for these models we have to find the correct answer. So here first one is given 1 by 3 is equals to 2 by 4. So it is not equal, students. 1 by 3 is not equals to 2 by 4. So this one is incorrect. Second one is 1 by 4 greater than 1 by 3. It is also incorrect, because 1 by 3 is not 1 by 4 is not greater than 1 by 3. 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 3. Second one is 2 by 3 less than 2 by 4. So 2 by 3 less than 2 by 4, it is also incorrect, because 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 4. And last option is 2 by 4 less than 2 by 3. Yes, it is correct, students, because 2 by 4 is always less than 2 by 3. So D is the correct answer. Next problem. The sum of two fractions is 3 by 5 if one of the fractions is 7 by 2, then find the difference of two fractions. The options are 17 by 30, option B 33 by 60, option C 15 by 17 and option D 5 by 12. So here the problem is the sum of two fractions is 3 by 5, and if one of the fractions is 7 by 12, then find the difference of the two fractions. So difference of the two fractions, so one is given, one fraction is given, that is 7 by 12. Now we have to find first the another one. So here another fraction is we have to subtract 7 by 12 from 3 by 5. So subtract it 7 by 5 from 3 by 5. Now calculate it. So it will be 60 divided by 5 is 12 and 12 into 3 is 36 minus 60 divided by 5 is 12 is 5 and 5 multiplied 7 is 35. So 1 by 60. 1 by 60. So another fraction is 1 by 60. Now students, we have to find the difference. We have to find the difference between them. So one fraction is given 7 by 12 and another one is 1 by 60. Now subtract these two. 7 by 12 minus 1 by 60. So it will be 35 minus 1, that means 34 by 60. Now after this we have to simplify it. So divide both the numerator and denominators by 2. So it will be 17 by 30. So 17 by 30 is the correct answer. That means option A is the correct answer. So I hope all of you understood. Next problem. Problem number 3. In which of the following figures does the unshaded portion represent two by 3? The options are, so the problem is in which of the following figures does the unshaded portion represents 2 by 3? So first one is and shaded regions are, this one is shaded, this one is shaded and this one is shaded. So rest of the three are unshaded. Option B. This is a circle and this has 3 parts and shaded is only one. This part is shaded. Option C. Option C is a square it has 4 parts and this one is shaded. And option D. Option D, it's a rectangle and these are the shaded portion. So these are the 4 options. Now students, in which of the following figures does the unshaded portion represent 2 by 3? So here in the first figure there are 6 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6. out of 6 parts, 3 are unshaded, so that means it is 1 by 2. Second one is 3, 1 out of 3, so second one is 1 by second one is, so one portion is shaded, so that means 2 portion are unshaded, so 2 parts unshaded out of 3 parts, so it is the right answer. It is 2 parts unshaded out of 3 parts, and option C is incorrect because it is 3 parts unshaded, so total 4 parts are there, so 3 by 4, so option B is correct, and it is also incorrect, you can see. Next, next problem. Which number should come in place of star? So star by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 12 is equals to 1 whole 1 by 3. The options are 5, 7, 3, 1. The options are 5, 7, 3, 1. So here we have to calculate it to find the correct answer. So star by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 12 is equals to, if we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, it will be 4 by 3. Now calculate it. So find the LCM of 1 by 6 and 5 by 12. So it will be 7 by 12. Now we have to transfer 7 by 12 to the right hand side. So it will be minus 7 by 12. Now again calculate it. So it will be 9 by 12. So it is 3 by 4. Now 4 will be cut. So this value is 3. So 3 is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. I hope all of you understood. Next problem. Which of the following is arranged in ascending order? The problem is 5 by 14, 4 by 7, 3 by 8, 1 by 16 and 1 by 4. And here the options are 5 by 14, 4 by 7, 3 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 4. Option B, 4 by 7, 5 by 14, 1 by 16, 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Option C, 1 by 16, 1 by 4, 5 by 14, 3 by 8, 4 by 7, and option D is 5 by 14, 1 by 16, 4 by 7, 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Now we have to find out the correct option. So we have to arrange these values in ascending order. So at first we have to find the LCM of 14, 7, 8, 16 and 4. So find the LCM. 14, 7, 8, 16 and 4. So try to find out. Next 7, again 2, 112. So 112 is the LCM. Now we have to multiply all the given numbers by 112. So 5 by 14 into 112. So calculate it. It will be 8. So it is 40. Next 4 by 7 multiply 112. So it will be 16. So 64. Next 3 by 8 into 112. It will be 14. So 42. 1 by 16 into 112. So it is 7. And next 1 by 4 into 112. It is 28. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. So now find out the smallest number. Here 7 is the smallest number. That means 1 by 16 is smallest. Where is 1 by 16? Option C. Option C, first number is 1 by 16 and rest of the three numbers are not 1 by 16. So that means we need not to check the rest of the numbers. So option C is the correct answer. I hope all of you understood. Next. Next problem. What is the sum of the shaded parts of the given figures? So first figure is like this, and the shaded portion are this one, and this one. These three portions are shaded. And second one is a square, and the shaded portions are this one is shaded, this one is shaded, this one, and also this one is shaded portion. So these are the two figures. And what is the sum of the shaded parts of the given figures? So first one is there are total 4 parts and 3 are shaded. So this one is 3 by 4 plus, and here total 16 parts are there, and out of 16 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 portions are shaded. So it will be 1 by 2. So we have to calculate 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now calculate it. It will be 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So if we convert it, it will be 1 whole 1 by 4. So 1 whole 1 by 4. The options given 1 whole 2 by 3. Option B 1 whole 1 by 4. Option C 1 whole 3 by 4. And option D 2 whole 1 by 4. So option B is the correct answer. I hope all of you understood. Now you have to practice such kind of maths for your upcoming maths Olympiad. Thank you, students.